Did you know that some foods can actually help you lose weight instead of causing weight gain? It might sound surprising, but it's true. In fact, certain foods can boost your metabolism, curb cravings, and promote fat burning. Let's dive into this fascinating topic and explore 10 of these weight loss friendly foods together. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which contribute to a feeling of fullness and sustained energy. Additionally, avocados contain fiber, which also helps maintain feelings of fullness. Eggs. Eggs are high-quality protein sources with few calories, providing a feeling of fullness and helping to maintain muscle mass, which is important for weight loss. Meat, especially lean meat. Lean meats like chicken or turkey provide satiety due to their high protein content and low fat content. Fish, especially fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon or tuna, are excellent sources of protein and provide healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and promote a feeling of fullness. Vegetables. Vegetables are low in calories, but rich in fiber, which helps with satiety and maintaining normal digestion. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in fiber and healthy fats, which contribute to a feeling of fullness and support normal digestion. Strawberries. Strawberries are low in sugar and calories, but high in fiber and antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and contribute to satiety. Almonds. Almonds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which provide satiety and help maintain normal blood sugar levels. Beans. Beans are rich in protein and fiber but low in fat and carbohydrates, providing a feeling of fullness without a high-calorie intake. Cabbage. Cabbage is low in calories and high in fiber, which provides satiety and helps regulate digestion. So, if you enjoyed this video and want to get more useful information about a healthy lifestyle, subscribe to our channel. It's a great opportunity to receive more tips on how to achieve your health and weight loss goals. Don't hesitate. Click subscribe now and join our community of healthy lifestyle enthusiasts. Until next time.